I don't know who's gonna see these videos, but if it's somebody that's looking for a well-built home, Homes by Tabor, in my opinion, is the way to go. Chad Holley.
Kelly Holley. They went above and beyond to get us what we wanted and what we needed.
The home buying experience was excellent because not just Homes by Tabor, but Stride Mortgage, they were amazing. Because anytime we had questions, anytime we had problems, like she said, they went above and beyond to make sure they got fixed.
I love the whole entire house.
I was gonna say, I can't really pick out one thing. If I was to pick out the one thing I love the most, I would probably say just the bigger bedroom, the big master bedroom and the master closet. Because we came from a house that the master closet would almost fit on this table. It was little bitty. And it was a walk-in closet and it was barely walk-in. Enormous size of the closet. There's more than enough room in the closet for us. We kind of bugged our sales rep. She was wonderful, by the way. I mean, we bugged her like every 2 or 3 weeks wanting to look at the house. And there were a couple times we went in there and the doors wouldn't shut and we mentioned something and they came.
The handles in the kitchen, the doorknobs in the kitchen were the wrong color. It got changed to the right color.